Hello, good morning. I'm Amir Nir, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple painting out of kind of a complicated picture. There's a picture I took in Budapest, the capital of Hungary, and at the background we have St. Stephen's Chapel, and what I want to focus is this white car in the foreground, which give us some kind of a spotlight and kind of a movement that we see coming from the depth of the painting towards us. So although this is very interesting, but still we want to focus on the car and then go to see the church at the background. So let's begin. I mix cobalt blue with light red. Light red is, you can think about it as the burnt sienna as well. It's almost the same. This gives some kind of purplish gray, imitating the sky and the clouds that we have there. I'm using the belly of the brush in order to put some more water. Yes, we can cover it like this. I want to leave some white areas for the clouds, as if. Okay, so we're done with the sky. This is the background. If you want to add some darker notes, use less water. Now we start with a simple wash, just to get some ideas about the colors that we want to see. If you want any specific color, put it on the white paper. Otherwise, you will never get this particular color that you're looking for. For example, I want to have some greens here for the trees. I must put them first. Just a little bit here. I want it to be gray, dark gray, and behind will be lighter sky, and the car will come forward. So this is a loose brush technique, which I use a lot of brush work, just to make it interesting. How to develop things with the brush. So the drawing is holding the composition, and I want it to remain underneath. Let's see with the cars. What we do with the cars here. Maybe I'll keep it wide for now, the cars here. Something over there, and reddish value for the street. I will put purple over there. And now as if we're done with the first layer. You see, it's very simple. Just make some notes for colors. The sky will not come back to the sky, but for the buildings and the street and cars, sure, come back. We can the front part of the car we can add to the wash. This is something that is better to do now. Maybe I'll use it later. Yes, I'm lifting some white lines here. Using a synthetic flat brush. This. So now we let it dry. Some areas too much water. This is by the way, this is a Clairefontaine 300 gram paper. It's not the paper that I'm usually working with, but I like to try new things, so it observes the water different, I see. But always interesting to make some experiments, not going on the known way. So let's leave it dry, and then we come back with the second layer.